Need a shortcut for brainstorming your craft projects? Hi, I'm Shanice from Hypnotic Glamour Designs and SVG Designer, helping crafters just like you create their own custom creations for their designs, even if they don't know where to start. By the end of this video, you will have a simple framework that will save you a ton of time when it comes to coming up with your own custom designs. So before we get started, today's featured freebie is the free Confident Crafters Planner, which you can find in my free Facebook group. And keep watching, and I will let you know how you can gain access to that for free. So the first step is to pick a theme or a topic. Now, this could be a holiday such as Valentine's Day, or Christmas, or Easter, or you can pick an event such as a wedding, a baby shower, graduation, or you can pick a trend. Is there a hot quote or meme right now? The second step is you want to pick your project. So what actually is it that you're going to be making? Do you want to make a t-shirt? Do you want to make wall art, a tote, or a money card holder? If you have liked any of these tips so far, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. So the next step is to pick your graphics. Now there's a variety of different types of graphics out there, just depending on what type of project you want to make. So let's say you want to do sublimation, then you want to be looking for PNGs. If you want to do embroidery, you want to look for embroidery files. If you want specific backgrounds, you want to look for digital papers. Or if you want to cut something with vinyl or with paper, you want to look for SVGs. And these types of graphics are things that you can find in my shop, or you can find them on other graphic design sites such as Creative Fabrica. And I actually have a list of 18 plus sites where you can find free graphics in my free Facebook group. And I will share with you also how you can get that if you keep watching. So one tip to finding a particular graphic. So let's say you wanted to do an Easter PNG for sublimation. You could type in one of these sites that I just mentioned earlier, Easter followed by the word PNG. So a tip is to type in your topic or theme followed by the file type that you're looking for. So another example would be Christmas SVG. Go ahead and follow and click on the notification if you're liking these tips so far, so you don't miss the next video with tips just like this one. All right, so the next thing you want to do is to pick your fonts. So the same tip applies as in the last step. An easy way to find fonts for what project you're working on is to pick take the theme or the topic that you picked, followed by the word font. So like Easter font, Christmas font. And you can get free fonts on a website such as Creative Fabrica, as I mentioned previously. And also I have a list of sites where you can get free fonts, which is also in my free Facebook group. Okay, so now that we got all the tips, let's put that together. So to review, here's the formula. So first you want your theme or your topic. Then you want your specific project you're working on. Next is your graphics. And then finally your fonts. So let's put that all together to brainstorm a craft project idea. And let's see, we come up with Easter. That's the theme or topic. Money card holder, that's the actual project. The graphic, a Peep SVG, and then the font, Easter font. So do you see how easy that is to come up with your own craft project ideas, how easy it is to brainstorm. This simple 4-step framework really takes all the hard work out of it for you. All right. So if you are not already following, go ahead and hit the follow button and click that notification bell. Next week, we are going to be making an Easter SVG, so you definitely don't want to miss that. And then also I have coming up a Cricut Design Space workshop in my free Facebook group. So make sure you follow so you can get more details on that. That is coming up the last week of the month into the beginning of March. All right, so on to the freebie, which is that Confident Crafters Planner. So you can get that in my free private Facebook group, and the link is in the pinned comment below. So go ahead and check that out. If you use that along with the steps that we covered here in this video, that will help you speed up your brainstorming process.